back to McCamey Farm and Outdoors. I appreciate you stopping by. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about our MS290 that I have converted to a 390. And I've had this saw a little bit, probably 4 or 5 months I guess. I bought it used, and it was a 290, like I said. Cut pretty well, had a 18-inch bar on it, pretty wore out. But all in all, a good little saw. But I noticed it started getting a little bit more sluggish, and it's losing a lot of power the warmer it got. So I decided to do the 390 conversion on it instead of just building the 290. And I didn't do a video on the tear down and the replacement of the 390. Go check out Dude Ranch DIY. He did an excellent video on the conversion from a 290 to a 390. I think it was around a 52-minute video that he done on it, so very thorough. No need in reinventing the wheel there. Just go check out that video on Dude Ranch DIY, and I'll try to link it here in the description. But like I said, good video, very informative, excellent video. But anyway, did the swap on it. Wasn't really bad. I think, a couple hours in one evening you could do it. And I went through the whole thing, tore it down, cleaned it really well, put it all back together. And while I was at it, I went ahead and put the 20-inch bar on it and a new chain, and I put some felling dogs on it just to give it a little character. This looks good. That's about all I can say about it, honestly. But I couldn't be more pleased with how it's performing. This ash that I just done here, it cut extremely well. So much better than the 290. All kinds of power. The chain on it, I'm still trying to get used to the chain, because it's the yellow chain, which is a little bit more aggressive. So still trying to get used to that a little bit, but other than that, I have no complaints. And if you've got an old MS290 that is starting to lay down on you, I would highly recommend going and doing the upgrade. I'll put a link in the description of the one that I bought. I bought it on Amazon. I think it was around $61, but that was complete. The whole engine. Came the spark plug, came with the compression or the decompression valve, which I don't honestly think you need, but I put it in there anyway. And then as a little extra touch, I went on eBay and I found this OEM 390 badge that I put on it. I think it was, I don't know, $8 or $9, but good little touch there to, just to show what it actually is now. But yeah, very, very happy with that. But like I said, I'll put links in the description on everything that I used, and I'll keep you updated in further, future videos of how it's performing and how the engine is doing as far as compression and all that. But that's kind of what we've got going on here. But just wanted to let you know kind of what we did there, and show some videos here cutting up this ash and these good rounds here. But all right.